So in this exercise, we're going to work on retraining some of your depth perception as well as some visual tracking. And so this exercise, you're going to use a Brock string and you're going to place the beads a little bit apart from each other. It doesn't need to be perfectly spaced, just something like this. You want to make sure that the bead that is closest to you is at a point where you can see just that single bead. So if you have double vision, if you have issues with your convergence, and the bead is way too close here, or it's here and you're already seeing two blue beads there, you need to push it away to where it looks like just one bead. And so what you're going to do, put the string on your nose, focus on that blue bead, and when I see the blue bead, the red, yellow, green, and orange all look like I see two of those where I'm looking at the blue bead. So once the blue bead looks like it's one bead, I'm going to move my eyes to the red bead. When I go to the red bead, the blue bead's going to split into two, and the other ones behind it are going to split into two. Once the red bead comes into focus, then I'm going to go to the yellow bead. And so the same thing happens. The blue and the red split into two. The yellow looks like one. The other two look like two. Then I'm going to go to green and then I'm going to go to orange. And then I'm going to go back to green, back to yellow, back to red, back to blue. And so down and back is one repetition. You're going to do 10 repetitions, and it's going to look like the beads are splitting off, and that's okay. Whenever you move to a new bead, like the red bead or the yellow, whenever you move to that bead, if I'm focusing on the red, you want to make sure it looks like one bead before you go to the next bead. That bead looks like one bead, then go to the next. That bead looks like one, then go to the next. And repeat.